Alright, we're back on this custom vehicle here. Alright, I just got done putting a new tire on here, so we put Avons on it. Did those crappy ass Harley Davidson Goodyears, or not Goodyears, Dunlops. At least now it doesn't say Harley on the side of his Indian. He likes that part. So now we're working on the front of the bike over here. It's got some kind of a dorky ass stupid axle arrangement on here. It's got an Allen pinch bolt here, Allen pinch bolt back here. Looks like that might be a nut inside of there, so you leave that one tight. This one I think we gotta loosen up to get it out. Of course, it's almost like no rust on these things.
No rust, no lubrication ever.
So we're gonna be putting new brake pads and new rotor on this one also. Oh, it came off. I don't believe it.
Oh, it's got two nuts on it.
It's only have one nut.
I bet you it's two. It's a pinch bolt right there too.
I don't know what's going on the other side. It's not moving. The only thing that has lubricant on is the axle.
Not much either.
I'm jamming that in to pull it. See, there's a nut in there somewhere. So that big goofy looking thing over on the other side is a nut. It looks like it's a nut. It looks like an axle there, but it's not. It's just a nut.
Is that a spacer or is that? Yeah.
I don't know what it is. It's something goofy. Okay, now I need my spider web protection around here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to get this out of here. Pull it out enough to get this out. There.
Full of that tire oil or brake fluid?
Okay, now we hit the caliper.
Yeah. Where's that Allen wrench at?
So I guess we're just going to pull a caliper on this one. The back one I was able to work around it, but this one probably no go. Oh yeah, those are nice and loose. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Been sitting for a while underneath that tree, huh?
Yeah.
And cheater bar?
Yeah, I need a cheater bar. About that one right there. You like this cheater bar?
Open the crack.
Is that enough cheater?
Tink. Wow. Yep, that was enough.
See the bow on the wrench?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Putting a twist to it.
Give it the yank.
Hey, at least it's only a single. Not dual disc.
See, it bent my wrench.
I don't doubt it.
Now I gotta straighten my wrench. I'll straighten when I torque them on there. See, now when I turn my wrench, it waves at me instead of goes straight like it's supposed to. And that's a good wrench. Those are Bundus.
Bundus brand?
Yep. The good ones.
If you got some of those Taiwan ones, it definitely would have broke.
Those are bent in half.
Yeah, or else it would have stripped out the wrench.
Oh, extra part.
Yeah, a spacer?
Yep. Appears to be one spacer.
Mm-hmm. Oh, nice.
There's probably a spacer under the rotor too to compensate for that one.
The bike's full of no-name parts.
Yeah. Yeah. We know I know who no brand is though.
You know, they don't say made in China or made in USA or whatever it is. No brand.
Thunderheart made all this shit.
Thunderheart?
Yep.
There you go.
Oh, we got two washers on that one.
2 on 1 there. Whoa.
Yeah.
Nifty. Is it leaking?
Pad's wearing the in one.
It's a 4-piston, no?
We got marked in the back what they are. There you go.
Oh, there you go, yeah.
Thunderheart.
Sorry, excuse me. I was wrong. They pushed it toward the inside, too, so you can't see it.
That's right. One of the hide the factories it made from it. Okay. Oh, it did come out.
Another spacer.
I heard something dink.
Yep.
Another one. That must be the one that matches that one. So you get us water on everything now because it's wet outside.
No cracks or visual cracks in that rotor yet, though. Huh? I'm sure there's one somewhere.
On this one?
Yeah. Maybe it didn't get hot enough.
This one's not worn enough.
It's worn, though. Must be some. That cast iron, no. Stainless.
Oh, that a big spacer falls out. This is pretty nice stuff here.
Oh, yeah, it's beautiful. Beauty prettiest, especially that chrome.
You like that chrome?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Scooby. Alright, so we're going to have to use some parts off of this here.
You got adapters on or something?
I need the bolts.
Oh, yeah. Small head, huh? Same size as the other ones? And a little
I
smaller.
think those are going to round off, I bet.
Mm-hmm.
I bet you those are going to round off.
You don't think they're hardened, good hardened bolts?
I don't think they're going to stay on there. Because I put a new wheel, new tire.
Well, something you might be able to get those for spares.
So, and a new rotor. So all I need is bolts. We'll see.
Try one and see what happens with it.
Yeah, round my wrench off.
No, I think the bolts is what's going round.
You think?
I think so.
I think it's already half rounded already.
Mm-hmm. Probably didn't put any anti-seize on those at the factory, did they?
They're supposed to use Loctite on them anyway. Yeah, they're not coming off. Yeah, I'm not going to waste my time on those. He's getting new
He
bolts.
needs a new rotor in there, doesn't he? Oh.
We have a new rotor.
You want to try on the other side, those ones?
I'm going to retain this.
Probably not any
I'm
what?
going to
The
take
cap?
that off. And I'm thinking maybe that those aren't really worth keeping either.
Can you get new ones?
But see, that's another set I could use though.
Is the question.
We could use this set instead of the other set.
If they'll come out any easier, I doubt it.
I doubt it too, but I think I'll just put new ones in there. He's overdue for some new hardware. Ooh, there's a weight right here I can use too. I might use that weight.
Think it might be hard to find those bolts?
No, I have to just swap my shop.
Really? No button head ones?
We gotta make sure this wheel fits up though. So this is what we get for a 19-inch wheel. So we gotta make sure this fits in the bike.
What's up with those black things on there?
Protectors for the box.
Oh.
You can leave them on there if you like them though.
Shipping stuff, huh?
So we gotta make sure this hub is the same thickness of that hub. And I have to take this off.
Yep. You need that spacer on.
There's an adapter.
Little adapter down in there, folks.
Mid-glide adapter. Damn it.
Oh, you think some heat maybe, or?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna take something, but the problem is the heat has to be on the hub, not on the outside here. It needs to be over there. Or I can just drill them off.
I think you're gonna have a hard time finding ones that fit in those rotors plush like that. You know, the size of the head looks a lot smaller than the Harley ones are.
They're probably a lot longer than normal too. That's going to be the problem. Well, we got some burnt spiders. Alright. We'll use my wrenches in the back. So I need a wrench. Torque wheel. That's about a good one to use. I'll use a bigger one. I'll use this one. Alright. We'll be back.
Should be hot now. It's getting kind of red down there. Is the number supposed to be blink on this thing, Keenan?
It doesn't.
Sometimes?
It does what it
It
wants.
says record, so.
It's recording. I do feel some heat here though.
There you go.
Oh, there it goes. I
There
smell the
you go.
Loctite. You smell Loctite burning?
I can smell something. I thought it was spider webs.
It might be spider web. I think it's Loctite.
Chemically.
Chemical Loctite is.
Oh, look at that. Right through the hole and back
Yeah,
out.
see, it's got something on the thread.
Yep.
It's not Loctite, but it's some kind of other material. Okay.
You're lucky and get two with one heat job.
I'm not even going to attempt to do one. We're going to heat that thing with some more. It makes for a better video with all the flame going. Popping and banging. See, Scooby ran away. He didn't like the popping and
No,
banging.
you don't like that.
I haven't melted the hub yet, but
Just don't melt that adapter.
I need that. the smoke coming up, then you know it's hot.
Oh, shit, that's coming out the bearing, huh?
That means it's hot. We have heat.
Another one, success. It must be fairly good bolts if the heads are not stripping out of them.
Yeah, usually hardware's pretty good on most things, but they still strip. Oh, it came loose.
And you get all of them.
I was ready to stop when it popped. Well, the hub might be a little warm. There you go.
There you go.
You want to grab that rotor for me?
Yeah, I will as soon as I find a rag.
Grab something with some heat potential to it. There might be some heat buildup in these parts. Ooh, don't get my fingers in there.
I wonder if there's other bolts on that adapter going into 5 other holes.
I don't think so. I don't think they're smart enough to do an adapter to an adapter.
Not like Morris Mags have them.
Yeah. This is just Indian. It's not like they know what they're doing. They copied Harley, so we know they're no good. Kilbar glove here.
Oh, all in one piece.
A shocker, it's a Harley underneath.
Yeah, but is it going to come off of that rotor? Is what I want to
This is
know.
hot though.
The chrome's still good.
Good. You gonna grab this too while you're up?
Nope.
Okay, look it out.
There you go. That's the way to separate them babies.
I know how to work on these. You work on an Indian just like you do a Harley. Beat the tar out of it. Alright, well there's our adapter. We still got some brass and stuff left here too. Scooby's back. Hey, Scooby came back. Don't get too close to that wheel, Scooby. It'll burn you. Okay, I think I'll clean this up a little bit and maybe cool it off a little bit. We'll be back.